Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A20e, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there is one thing that we will need, and it's this SIM eject tool. They usually come provided with the device, so you can find it somewhere in the box. And if you can't find it, you can always use something like a paper clip. That is, you just need to straighten it out. This was at one point a paper clip, but well, not anymore. And all you need to do is just use that to push out the tray that is located on the left side, upper side of the device. So I'm just gonna go back to the better version of it. So you wanna find where it is and eject the tray like so. You can see that it just popped out, basically. And all you need to do now is just take it out completely like so. And you have access now to two different SIM trays and an SD tray. So we're going to begin with the SD. All you need to do is just place it like so. You can see, make sure it's laying flush. You need to push it in a little bit in there so it's firmly and should be flush with the tray itself. And then the SD card like so. Now this doesn't really hold. The SIM or the memory card actually holds, but the SIM you will need to hold securely, otherwise it will fall out. So once it's in there, as you can see right now, all you want to do is hold it securely and slide it back into the device. And I should be now spammed with the pin of the device or the SIM card. So let me just confirm it. Unlocking, and there it is. So there was a SIM, and you can already see a memory card icon right on the top. If I pull it down, SD card. So both of them are working just fine. And that is how you would insert it. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.